Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Arun Suraj from Chennai, and I'm here in Dubai to conduct a course that is my aesthetic melange in collaboration with Swiss Laser Master Academy and with MedProDoc. And the MedProDoc has done this arrangement for us. It was fantastically organized. We are a very big team, and it was all well organized. That's what I can say. Because it's not really easy to conduct organize an aesthetic course because we have a lot of materials and stuff, and we had a very big team who were always on the toes, and they're really working very hard. Especially I can name Claire, I can name Jay, and that girl, what's her name? Amy, and a lot of them. Sorry, I don't know many of your names, but it was a fantastic arrangement, right from the venue to everything, coordinated with the staff, with the participants. Everything was fantastic. Yes, of course, Swiss Laser Masters Academy. I'm here through Dr. Prashant. So he's the one who introduced me to the MedProDoc, and that was a fantastic arrangement. So good luck, guys, and I hope you guys